Welcome back to Superior Self with KJ Landis. Today, we're going to look at some spring foliage from my hikes, some beautiful butterflies, and some spring flowers from my hikes in and around the San Francisco Bay Area. The poppy is California's state flower, and what I've realized on my hikes is that a poppy can be found in many colors, not just in the orange, red, and yellow family. I am grateful to have eyes to be able to see these beautiful colors all around me. I am grateful to be able to enjoy my feet crunching on the earth below me. I am grateful that I have the opportunity to inhale and exhale with clarity in my lungs. I am grateful that my legs move for me. I am grateful for my voice. I am grateful for friends. Today is a moment in my life where I can be grateful for everything. Getting out in nature allows me to enhance my five senses and say thank you, thank you, thank you to God, to my angels, to my guides, to my friends, to my mentors, and to my family. And to you, my tribe. Remember, friends are the family that you choose, not the ones that you were given. Please visit me at a free workshop near you in San Francisco and beyond. I work through libraries and senior centers, privately in folks' homes, and at particular event centers and boutiques. If you'd like to have me at one of your events teaching about movement, wellness, healthy eating, and we can cook together, please visit me at superiorselfwithkjlandis.com. See you next time. Take care.